The ReliaTackᵀ device provides several powerful advantages over non-articulating fixation devices. With improved access and reach, the ReliaTackᵀ fixation device goes places older, non-articulating devices can't, with new levels of ease. And it may make it possible for surgeons to fixate the entire mesh from one more comfortable position, without the need to move around the patient. 8 out of 10 surgeons surveyed said that ReliaTackᵀ allowed them to deploy tacks from a more comfortable ergonomic position. 65 degrees of articulation also makes it possible to achieve perpendicular tack deployment, leading to more strength and reliability compared to traditional non-articulating devices. Also, adding fixation strength, our longer, deep purchase screw-like tacks, which with their continuous fixation threads provide more holding force and stronger fixation than nail or prong-style tacks. Yet another advantage, the ReliaTackᵀ device's articulation and interchangeable 5 and 8 deep purchase tack reloads may eliminate the need for additional ports and devices to provide savings of up to $461 per case.